Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful Pizzeria layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Pizzeria layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It's highly visual, it looks stunning, and you have two types of layouts. So this is the dark themed layout, and then if I go to the home page over here, you can see that there's a light themed layout in there as well. So if you want to lay your hands on this beautiful layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Pizzeria layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that are included within this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance you want to get started with the landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Pizzeria layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout your page design. So say for instance, you want to change the font that's being used over here and you want to do it all at once. You can go to the heading 1 settings over here. You can right click on the heading font, click on find and replace. So this is the font that's being used. So we'll find this font within this page and we'll replace it with another font of our choice. Let's just take Playfair Display for instance. And we'll also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading font, to make sure that all of the modules and all of the text is covered. And then we'll click on replace. So as you can notice, this took a little to no time for it to change throughout the entire page design, and you can basically do that for each and every design option for each and every element. So go ahead and play around with this beautiful layout pack in Divi and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.